This chapter focuses on working directly with Kafka APIs. It's a developer-centric section, so if you have got some coding experience, you will feel right at home. We'll set up our environment and introduce key APIs to build a strong foundation for real-world use. Kafka APIs are how we communicate with Kafka. In this chapter, we'll dive into the producer and consumer APIs. These two are the core of Kafka publish-subscribe model and data streaming capabilities. Other APIs like stream and connect will come later. Understand Kafka APIs allows you to build custom data pipelines and integrate Kafka into your applications. They offer flexibility for efficient streaming, real-time processing, and enterprise-grade scalability. Mastering these APIs opens up a world of possibilities for data solutions. The user's API is all about sending messages to Kafka topics. Think of it as the publishing side of Kafka publish-subscribe model. It's how data enters Kafka from your applications. The consumer API is the other half. It reads messages from topics. This is where data flows out for processing. It's essential for building real-time application or data processing systems. For Windows, you will need to install Java by heading to the Oracle website to download the JDK. Once downloaded, set the Java home environment variables. This ensures your system knows where Java is installed. On a Mac, you can install Java using Homebrew, which simplifies the process. Once installed, set your Java home environment variable. Add it to your shell profile so it persists across sections. Linux users can install Java through their package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you would use the app package manager. After installation, set the Java home variable in your bash configuration file for system-wide use. Gradle is a build tool we'll use for our Kafka projects. Download it from the Gradle website, extract it to a directory, and set the Gradle home environment variable. Add Gradle bin directory to your system path so you can access it from anywhere. On Mac and Linux, we can run the following commands before running Gradle CLI. On Windows, the process is a bit different, but just as straightforward. First, after extracting Gradle, we need to configure the system environment variables. Open System Properties, go to the Advanced tab, and click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click New and create a variable named Gradle Home. The value should be the full path to the Gradle installation folder. Next, find the path variable, edit it, and add Gradle home bin to the very end. We'll use Docker to set up Kafka. Start by creating a Docker Compose YAML file. This file defines a multi-container setup, including Zookeeper and multiple Kafka brokers. Once the file is ready, use Docker Compose to start the cluster. Once your Kafka cluster is running, you will need a topic to send and receive messages. Use a Kafka CLI tool to create a topic, then create a payment topic with 2 partitions and a replication factor of 3. This ensures high availability and better parallelism. In this section, we cover the essentials: installing Java, setting up Gradle, and configuring Kafka with Docker. These steps form the foundation for working with Kafka APIs. Let's move on to building real-world solutions with Kafka.